In this video, I'll be teaching about while loop. What is a while loop? So let me open the code editor, create a new file, just save it in the desktop. I'll write main.cpp, save it, write the boilerplate, simple IO stream, using namespace std, and main, return 0. Right, and save it. Correct. So, what is a while loop? So, while loop is somewhat similar to the for loop, infinite for loop, which I've taught you in the previous video. I've taught you infinite for loop. It is same. While loop is same to infinite for loop. It will keep looping until a condition is true, and it will break out of the loop if the condition is false. And for example, the syntax of the while loop is first we have to write while while and put a bracket, and here you have to write a condition, only condition, and that's it. Now let me first initialize something. Let me say I is equal to 0. Right. Let me say if I is less than or equal to 10. Okay. Let, then put a flower bracket, and let me just print the number is high, right? And then now, since the initialized I is equal to 0, and the condition is if I is less than or equal to 10, please print it. Okay, okay, let me just make it little less so that you can see it in the terminal properly. So let me say till I is less than or equal to 5, and let me just increment it. Alright, so what will happen is when the thread will come here, you'll see int I is equal to 0. Okay, I is equal to 0. Next, it will come and see, okay, there's a while loop, and it will see the condition I is less than or equal to 5. Since I is equal to 0, it will become 0 is less than or equal to 5, which is true, and it will print the number is 0. Okay, next it will get incremented, which is I is equal to 0, it will become I is equal to 1, and again go back and check the condition if 1 is less than or equal to 5. If the condition is true, it will print the number is 1, and again it will increment, it will become 2, and so on and so forth until this condition becomes false. At last, when the number is 5, and when it will come here, it will increment, so it will become 6 I is equal to 6. So 6 is less than or equal to 5, which is false. At that time it will break out of the loop. And I'll show you that. Take my terminal. Uh, Let me just compile it. And also data show. Okay, it is compiled. Now let me just run the compiled file. You can see it has been run. Okay, this is how while loop works. Now consider that I have put I is equal to 0, or let me show you how to write an infinite loop. Right. Uh, okay. Okay. It is on itself. Let me write. Let me write true. Okay. So the condition will always be true. It will never be false. So it will keep looping forever. Okay. So what will happen over here is, so you can see int I is equal to 0. Okay, I is being associated with 0. Now you can, it will come and see it is, there's a while loop. So in the while loop, the condition is true. Of course, the condition will always be true, and it will keep looping. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, let me take my terminal. Let me just compile it. It's been compiled. Let me run it. You can see it will keep looping. The number is increasing, as you can see. It will keep looping forever. Okay, until I forcefully terminate the program. Okay, terminated it. Okay, this is how the while loop works. Alright, I hope you have understood how while loop works. Okay, thanks.